Athletic trainers are part of the 1.4% of people in Ohio now getting the COVID-19 vaccine. Chris Renkel shows us why it's so important that they're among the first to receive it as part of our year-long series, Athletes at Risk.
On December 23rd, while classrooms and sports sidelines sat silent, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine made a big announcement.
And so we're going to make the vaccine available to the schools.
For schools to get vaccines, districts will need help from the healthcare professionals that act as the go-between for those distributing, hospitals, and those receiving, the schools. That's where an athletic trainer comes in. The day after DeWine's announcement, Ken Rushford received the first round of the Moderna vaccination.
The vaccine itself was really relatively painless. I didn't really feel anything at all. In fact, there was no really major side effects from it.
Rushford's only side effect was a sore arm. We also spoke with Rushford back in March when he served on the front lines of the pandemic with patient screenings.
If athletes are competing, typically they don't have masks on, so you potentially could be directly exposed to an individual that may not have symptoms at the time but develop them later.
Rushford is one of 24 athletic trainers Local 12 found out has either received or is scheduled to receive the vaccination. And although you may see athletic trainers on sports sidelines, many are working in clinics and hospitals to help with staffing issues, so they have a high level of exposure.
Athletic trainers have been able to kind of come into those roles because we have the patient care experience. We have the ability to kind of fit into many types of roles within a hospital system.
Mercy Health employs the most athletic trainers of any healthcare system in Cincinnati.
We made sure that obviously the nurses and the frontline staff, the people working directly with COVID positive patients were first, but then we were allowed to have our athletic trainers sign up pretty quickly after that.
Athletic trainers cannot inject the vaccine into teachers or athletes. Injections are a type of care their Practice Act prohibits. But with their help, getting vaccines to schools will be a game changer. Chris Renkel, Local 12 News.
Now, a few local athletic trainers have gotten COVID from their jobs. You can find all the ways athletic trainers help athletes at athletesatrisk.com.